Seen these for a while now, but I finally bought one. We've been camping quite a bit, and there's always a lack of chairs and tables. And I thought that this stool might be able to accomplish, just like any stool, kind of both of those roles. So you've got 2 fingers here and 2 fingers here, kind of like a bowling ball, and you just give those a twist. And once you pull up on them, the nature of the design is that these are going to open up and kind of cam into place. So when you want to close it, it's kind of like playing the accordion and bowling at the same time. You're going to pull apart, and then as you pull apart, you twist with your fingers, and that allows all the pieces to align and close back up on themselves to make it just this little small thing that you carry with in your vehicle. And then when you want to open it, there it is. And it's pretty strong and sturdy. You can use it as a stool. We're going to be using it as a table. You have a pretty good workspace here. It's nice and level. Good strong base that's not top heavy. And from what I understand, you can lift up and drop it to a specific height that you might want pretty simply. And in other words, it's adjustable to any height you want. That's why we bought it. Hope this helps. You can buy them in different colors and buy them in multiples at a time.